This is a 2009 Mazda 5. All of the following features are included: a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 48,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Hawk Ford of Oak Lawn is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6100 West 95th Street in Oak Lawn.